Welcome to the Port of Los Angeles. Tomorrow I'll be cruising the Discovery Princess out of the Port of Los Angeles, and we'll be heading to Mexico. So I thought today would be a good day to explore Los Angeles. So I decided to start with Venice Beach. My initial plan was to get an Uber, but once I saw it was $90 one way, I looked into other options. I found out public transportation does come way out here to San Pedro. So I will be taking the bus for $3.30 by using the Tap LA card. All right, I made it to Venice. What better place to start than the canals? All right, I enjoyed my time looking around the canals. Now I'm headed to the famous Venice Beach. All right, it's time to check out Muscle Beach. I'm heading to the skate park, hoping to find some talented skateboarders. I am not one of those. So it was time for lunch. Decided to come to Teddy's Red Tacos here in Venice to try some birria tacos. The tortilla is delicious. Got a nice little crunch to it. The consomme is amazing. It just really helps soak in. Just look at how juicy. Oh yeah, I'm liking this stuff already. But I did forget to add my lime. Oops, slippery sucker. Yep, I'm definitely dipping everything in the consomme. This is one of the better ones I've had. tostadas. Definitely dumping some consomme on those. Get it soaked in. This is gonna be good. Oops, falling apart. I almost forgot. I had horchatas. That's what I got to drink. It's also good. I definitely made a good call with Tony's Red Tacos. Man, they were juicy. All right, that was a fun few hours in Venice. Now I'm gonna head on a bus and make my way to Santa Monica Pier.
Hey, what they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, yeah. This is the moment.